a little bit of garden video. Here is some rhubarb. You cannot pick the rhubarb and eat it the first year. You have to wait till it's 2 years old to pick it and eat it. And here is our little tomatoes. They growing real long, real big. Here's more tomatoes. There's the zinnia flower. See, it's pink. And our mustard seed's going to seed. Our mustard greens are. And our chives are going to seed. And they had flowers on them yesterday. They was real pretty purple flowers. See this blackberry plant? I got 3 blackberries off of it. It ain't even planted in the ground yet. And then this raspberry, we're going to plant these in somewhere out there in the yard somewhere. That lemon tree sure has grown since it's been out here. And this lemon tree has too. I started them from seed. All I done was ate a lemon, took the lemon out, the seed out, and soaked it in water for 24 hours. Then wrapped it in a damp, wet paper towel, put it in aluminum foil, and put it up in the cabinet for 2 weeks, and it grew little tail on it. And then I took them and planted them. There's my Chinese celery. I've already picked it once and dried it. And buddy, it does taste good. And there's another rhubarb plant. Dill. And now we picked off this 2 or 3 times already. The big thing of dill has already died off, but it'll come back next year. Our pineapple we've had for 3 years. We just took the top off the pineapple and planted it. Tomato plants is trying to take over the strawberry bed. This is squash. Acorn squash, and it's taken all down the side of the trailer, see? Now this is strawberries, thyme, rosemary, and oregano. We've cut it 3 times already. We ain't cut this yet. We ain't cut none of that yet. Now, we've got 3 zucchinis off this so far. And it just keeps on growing. Strawberry plant. And it's got a strawberry in it right now, see? There's one right here. Yeah, I just planted it in that and it's grown good. This is parsley. We've cut on it twice. And this is a black bell pepper. This one right here is. And this is banana pepper. And it's not hot. Sage. And over here's another zucchini. And that's thyme right there. See the baby zucchini on it? Look. See it? The fig tree, it's growed since we put it out here. Tomato plant. Tomato plant. There's 7 grow bags with potatoes in them, and they're dying off, so we're getting ready to pick them not too long from now, probably about another couple weeks when it dries up. Here is 6 new plantings of potatoes. These are 2 watermelon, and this is turnip greens, and that's a big old tomato plant. It's got tomatoes hanging off of it. You can grow them in pots if you got pots. That's what I did. This is a stevia plant, the sugar. And it's grown real big since we brought it home. And it's grown more and more leaves every day. Another thing of strawberries. Now, if you want one of these barrels, find a Tractor Supply where you're at. Sometimes you can get them for $18.99, sometimes for $24.99. I have 6 cabbage plants this way, 3 this way, and them growing bags. You only plant 1 to a growing bag, and them are 10-pound growing bags. Over here is 5 in these, and it's been a little bit too rainy here for anything to grow real good yet. And we got basil. We got 3 big plants of basil. I've been coming out and picking some of it. I don't know if our pumpkin's going to do any good or not right here. Now look at the cabbage plants and the basil. Acorn squash. And there are, let me check on it. I'll tell you how many's on it. There's 3 growing on this plant so far. Do you see it, cushaw laying there? Yeah, there's cushaws. This plant is. And zucchini, and cucumbers, and tomatoes, all up in here. I'll show you a big old cushaw here in a minute. Here's some lettuce, and collard greens, and char, turnip greens, mustard greens, all in this bed. And onions, all in that bed. That's where all the greens are at. Over in this one is carrots and onions in that bed, and a marigold. There's a big old cushaw. You see it? A big one. Look at the vine of it. It's growed everywhere. I hope we get more than one. Look, big old tomatoes just hanging off of them. I mean, just hanging. They were so tall that they'd been over when the rain come, and now they're growing like towards the ground. We didn't get many cucumbers this year. We got about 30, I guess. And then the plants are trying to die. Too much rain and too hot for them. 2 trees we ain't planted yet. And a bush, rose bush. And we're going to put some dirt in that right there and that over there. So we'll have more garden beds. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 garden beds, plus the strawberry bed. That strawberry bed ain't gave us nothing in 2 months. Look how big that kale and stuff is. Mustard greens, turnip greens, char, and that big old stuff right there is collard greens. Here's another look at the carrots and stuff. Now I take these greens off the top of these carrots and I dry them out and use them in soups and stews. And these onions, buddy, I need to cut them again and let them grow back where it makes more green onion powder. 2 tomato plants. The flower bed. Strawberry bed. Every time we plant them in this, though, and you have to watch for the birds to try to get them. You have to get them before the birds get them. There's the lettuce bed that the bear got into. The pepper plants, not hot, but banana peppers, mild, is growing on the porch. And they got 1 hanging off of it. I'll show it to you. No, it's got 2 hanging off of it. Still got to can up some more stuff. Cucumbers we picked. flowers, aloe, sweet William, and I think those called pansies, I guess. I don't know. That's all. Thanks for watching. Push the like, subscribe button if you ain't already. Thank you. That was a garden update.